Hey, I'm Cyrus from London. I'm a designer and artist, and I'm part of the team working here at MSUM on a project called Bodies of Knowledge. And Bodies of Knowledge is all about reimagining what an archive can be. So right now we're in the archive of Rock Veha, and this is the temporary Slovene dance archive, which typically is a site of information retrieval and knowledge retrieval. And we thought we could use design, technology and art to try and reimagine what this archive could be and reimagine the way that people experience and interact with the archive. And since the archive is a dance archive, we thought it would be very fitting to work with the natural language of dance, which is of course movement. So within this space, we invite people to come in and dance, perform movements and gestures in order to access the archive. And what we're doing here is working with machine learning technology to basically detect body part movements and understand what people are doing in the space. And depending on what they do, we will display certain types of content. So for example, to be very concrete, we have 3 stations. One is for the head, one is for arms and hands, and the last station is for feet and legs. And within each station, we ask you to perform a gesture with that part of the body, and you will then see archive content that has been categorized by the algorithms related to that category of the body. So for example, if I make a gesture with my feet, I will see content related to feet. And that's the basic premise of this installation. And it really came from this sentiment that we had as a team in the early Designathon here in BO26 around trying to create a dance between machines and humans. And I think we've achieved that in this space. So this has been very much a collaborative effort. There are designers, technologists, writers, and we have a really wonderful mentor guiding the process, and we've had a lot of great help here from the institution itself here at MSUM. So it's been a wonderful experience. And the last part of this overall installation will be to work with Rock, who's the archivist here, and some of his acquaintances and friends within the dance community, because we really hope to bring choreographers and dancers from the Slovenian community here to start creating new types of movements and gestures within this space. And that's when this thing will really become magical.